I'm gonna take so much. I'm gonna take every single one.
Come here, let's take sour. Dad, can we get some? Dad, can we get some? Dad, can we get some? Yes. I'm gonna get these, some nuts, and some of those. Some of these will be nice. Some of these, maybe even some of these. No, these are I don't really like them. No, these are the best. What? This is so much, but they're really expensive. Okay, I'll let you choose first.
Okay, let me just take everything.
Gonna rob the whole shop.
Oh, Stella.
Yeah.
That's doing what to take. If I think too much.
I think I know what to start with, Alex. And I'm definitely going with
What was that?
Lupo.
Oh yeah, really good scoop. Oh yes.
Lupo.
I'm going to take.
Then I'm gonna get a really good scoop of.
Got some. Alex, I got some of my.
I'm gonna get a really good scoop of. What should I? Oh, let me get some of these bad boys.
I'm gonna get the same as you. I got them.
Okay, then I'm gonna get a good amount of
A good amount.
all
of
these bad boys.
bad boys. Bad boys. What you gonna do?
So we have 10 seconds.
Put
10, 9,
them in the.
8,
Take them yourself.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Minus 1,
Okay, I'm done. Done.
0.
Still, it's over. Still, quick.
That's it.
Oh, ref.
Last scoop, whatever you are, that's it, last. That's it. Okay. Final call, let's go. You've been cheeky now. You've been very cheeky, Stella. Show your cheeky face.
Okay, Stella, come on, let's go quick.